Welcome to the What's New in Photobook Designer 3.6 video tutorial. I'm going to show you the 5 main new features that we've added to this update. Firstly, we've redesigned the new product wizard. We've made the products easier to select by separating them out into tabs. We've also added images that display when you select your item that give you a visual of what the item looks like as well as the physical dimensions of the item. Our second feature is something that should really help with getting your design just right, the crop to frame feature. What this means is when you drag a photo into an image box that is a different shape to the photo, the image editing window will be displayed in crop mode, with the crop set to the same shape as the frame. You just position the crop rectangle where you want, and if you change the size, the shape stays the same. Click OK and the image will fit into the image box on the page perfectly. I'll just show you how you can use this to create an interesting effect by dropping the same image into the remaining 2 boxes. I'll just right click and delete the 2 boxes I don't want on the page, which leaves us with a page that has a nice point of difference. A more common use of the crop to frame feature is to drop any image into an image box and not have the template alter. So we'll drop a landscape shaped image in first, and then another landscape shaped image, which will crop slightly tighter in. Then we can find a portrait shaped image to drop into this landscape shaped template and have it automatically select the right shape for us. And after our 4th image is dropped in, we will have the page as we want it. Now if you don't want to crop the image, simply drop the image in and select Cancel from the dialog to have the image drop onto the page, and the image box will shrink to fit the image. Our next feature is the ability to cut, copy and paste page items. I'll select the 3 images off this page by holding down the Control key on my keyboard and then clicking the images I want. Next, I'll select the Edit menu and choose Cut to cut the items from the page. I'll move to a new page and then again from the Edit menu select Paste to paste them on the new page. Our 4th and most requested feature is the Undo feature. By choosing the Edit menu and selecting Undo or using the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl-Z, you can undo the last thing you did to the page. Selecting Redo from the Edit menu will put the changes back. The final feature I'll show you is the text indicators. If we create a text box and enter some text, when we move the text box, if it gets too close to the binding or trim edge, the text box will change to red, and you'll need to move the text box back to where it changes to white to ensure your text does not get cut off during production. We hope you find these new features helpful. Thanks for watching, and more tutorials can be found at www.myreflections.com.au.